Built a power feed out of AliExpress bits and the 3D printer. Variable speed, so forward and reverse variable. Using a Zito battery and a worm drive motor. PWM board. And a switch and a pop. So this was the worm drive that I bought on AliExpress, as well as the variable speed controller. They both came to about $50 US. I printed the case in PLA using a silvery grey. Actually, it was a bit of a warpy product, but it worked out quite well. And then you'll see using Zito batteries, or my battery drill by. Well, the power feed is closer to the finished product. The battery mount has been built. I've printed it in silvery grey. It's mounted on the alignment shafts. I do need to relieve inside the bore here because there's the bent lead screw, so it's making it wobble. So I'll show you as we go. So battery just clips on. Same battery as all my power tools, so there we go. Variable speed, so 100. So you can see we get a little bit of a wobble. That's because of the spindle. So if I pull it out, that's running true. But if I push it back in, got a little bit of a wobble. We do have the variable speed. Also the crafter disc pad is the 6mm bracket, so that engages by just sliding on the pins. Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.